Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recall email in Outlook Web. Recalling an email in Outlook Web can be a useful feature in certain situations, providing you with the ability to retract and replace an email message that has already been sent. To begin, click on the Windows search bar and search for Outlook. Click to open it up, then log into your Outlook account. You can access Outlook Web at outlook.live.com for free or standard Outlook accounts and outlook.office.com for Office 365 accounts. Once logged in, you need to go to Settings. Click on the gear icon and then select View All Outlook Settings under Mail. Choose Compose and Reply and scroll down until you find Undo Sent. Here, you'll see the option to cancel an email message after it is sent. You can choose how long Outlook will wait to send your messages. In this case, messages can be canceled for up to 10 seconds. You can adjust the time according to your preference. After making changes, click Save and close the Settings tab. Now, let's give it a try. Compose a new email and add the recipient, subject, and content. When you click Send, a small tab will appear at the bottom, allowing you to undo the email within the specified time frame. Click Undo and the email won't be sent to the recipient. In summary, Outlook Web provides a brief window of 10 seconds to cancel a sent email. If you're using Outlook Desktop, you have more flexibility in canceling sent emails. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.